kind of like being in a good old painting. Yeah, course 7. Just like the old painting. Dang. Perfect. They always throw me those colors every single day. Dang. Am I about to get in trouble out here? I hope not. I hope that puppy dog's just barking at the deer. Just exploring. Looking at everything. Like always. Yeah. Dang. I thought it was going to be a good idea to come out here since I knew the waters were going to be shallow. But look how dark the soils are underneath. I've never seen a river this dark before. It looks like it's always going to be deep, but it's not. It's just the black sands out here. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm trying to be careful out here. Their puppy dog might not be in the backyard. Yeah, their puppy dog up there barking might be just able to roam the woods out here. You better believe I'll pet him to death. But man, I thought that was a part of a filing cabinet, but it's not. Looks like Randall and Simon lost their cooler back in 1981. Yeah, where's the Budweiser at? Yeah, man, look at these rocks out here. You don't care about that. Look at this danger looking zone right here. Imagine if there was a flash flood. And this is a flood zone right here. It'll fill that up really quick. I'm trying to make my way to this electrical passing zone so I can just call it a day. It's like 5:40 and I'm going as slow as a snail. I haven't found anything at all today except a tire in the tree. Nah, for real though. I found a couple of good things, you know. I thought I heard something. Yeah, but anyway, yeah, I found a couple of good things, not anything historic or anything like that, because I think I know where I came out today to try to figure out if I was going to find any kind of major gravel bars out here, to try to get an idea where some major artifacts are being held up at. Yeah, it's just one of my little hobbies. It's all I do on some blind side of Sunday. But yeah. But this area out here was very heavy in a Native American activity. Sure enough it was. Yeah. But I haven't seen not one bit of evidence out here. It's all sand out here. That's all it is. It's sand. Man. But I'm not going to find anything significant. I'm not. I found a couple of good things, but not artifacts. Yeah. Just things of my enjoyment. Man. I hope someone's not going to be coming down here, running down the hill, barking. That's why I'm going so slow. You guys always think I'm crazy. Yeah. Just one of my hobbies, exploring. That's it. Yeah, trying to get out of the way until the winter time comes, so I'm stuck in the house. Yeah. Dang. Which way? Right or left? Let's go to the right so we can avoid them up here. Yeah. That dog's not going to stop barking. I guess he's just hearing things. He's definitely not hearing us. I wonder if he can see me or not. Probably not. I don't know. Dang. But I want to keep going like the ladies always tell me to, you know? I do. I want to keep going. But it looks like danger zone like crazy, but it's still heaven out here. Depends on your frame of mind. Depends on what you're looking at. It looks like someone lost their gold pen up in a tree. Yeah, maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Man, beautiful. But see, it's nothing out here, really. It's all these sandbars. That's all it is. Man, guys, I don't know about this. I don't know what the heck I get myself into. Well, even though that's part of the river, it just splits in two different directions on both sides of this island. Man. Danger zone. What the heck am I getting myself into out here? Anything can crawl out of that hole. Maybe I'll just pet them on the head and tell them to go back to their little spot. Dang, look at that. A little slice of heaven. I'm trying to be quiet because there's a crane down there in that little swamp zone that I'm probably not going to be able to cross. I think I painted myself into a corner somehow. I don't know. For real though. Dang. Anything to try to find anything, I guess. And it's getting late. What the heck am I doing out here? Man, you know, that's going to be the longest mile. The longest mile if I don't try to figure out something quick. Yeah, look at that blue heron down there, that heron or crane, whatever you call those things. They know they're going to be filmed by Da Vinci. They're going to fly off when I zoom in. Right in the center. Look at them. Dang. Let's get out of here. Wasn't that bad. All I had to do was just climb down. Yeah. Look at that danger zone. I'll tell you what, I would not be doing this if I lived in Florida. Even though that's a place I really want to live. I do. But it's too flat down there. The only thing I'm going to find, besides maybe one artifact, is my head cut off from a crocodile or an alligator. Yeah. Man, look at this. You already know. If I was in Florida, I'll be running through the woods hardcore like Forrest Gump. Yeah, swamp zone. still heaven. It's heaven to the ones who maintain it out here. Yeah, that's why it's both, it can be hell and heaven at the same time. Depends on your frame of mind. Yeah, but they maintain it. Because if you come out here and destroy it, it's meant for you to find. You just have to do a little landscaping. That's all. Don't cut down the ones that are still living. Let nature take care of that. The laws of nature. So they can provide for you out here with this kind of stuff here. They get so disappointed when they see their condition. Because they see what I see. Well, they kind of use me. They do. I never really said that before. But they kind of do. And they look through me and they say, I look hideous. I look terrible. Pick me up. Clean me up. Do something. Those kind of comments. Yeah, this is what they're talking about. Stuff like this. Yeah, the stuff you were supposed to use to build your world, other than concrete. The greatest invention of all, besides the wheel. Man. No alligators out here. I'm just looking around, that's it. Yeah, but that's why it's both heaven and hell at the same time. Because you have to go and search for the greatness between them both. And especially when it comes to that heaven. And that ain't it. Yeah. But I'll tell you one thing though, that's why they drive your curiosities to come out. With every angle that they create. You'll find it eventually, but it's always around you. You guys are crazy. Yeah. But the ones who help maintain it, the ones who attack, the ones who mean to do harm. Yeah, that's why the Battle of Angari is so important to you. It is, but you never knew the meaning of it. You never did. Don't worry, I have to do the instructional video on that. And now we have video these days. We do. So I can do an instructional video on it. Yeah. To show you the real deal Holyfield about it. Yeah. That's a cool looking image right there. Yeah. Weird looking image. But I'll tell you one thing though, the better the heaven, the more monumental the heaven, the thicker the heaven, the more dense the heaven, the more fabulous the heaven, the more perfect the heaven. All over the universe, all over your backyard, your countries, whatever, the more dangerous the wildlife. Yeah, you didn't know that? You guys are crazy if you didn't know that. I haven't laid eyes on one single dangerous snake out here. I mean, I'm not talking about just today, I'm talking about every day I come out and do this kind of thing. But I'll tell you one thing though. Imagine, like I was talking about, crocodiles and alligators out in, the heaven down south of here. The heaven of Florida, where people like to go take vacations. And the senior citizens like to end their life down there in their vacation pads. Yeah, the heaven that they look forward to. The nice warm seasons, the cool winters. But some of the most dangerous reptiles in history belong down there to try to keep you at bay. They do. That's why you're experiencing heaven from a distance down there. Because you don't know what's going to strike behind you or from behind. Yeah, just like out in the Amazon, Madagascar, all those places. Some of the most fabulous heavens you could ever imagine. Yeah, but the most dangerous insects, spiders, the most dangerous of everything. that helps maintain it lives out in the same location. Yeah, I'll tell you a funny Da Vinci story, for real though. Another one. It's only going to be about 30 seconds. Probably not. Knowing me. Dang, it's getting late. Let me get out of here. But I'll tell you one thing though. I was down there, some kind of lake. Hardick or something like that. Don't say anything. Hard something. Down there in South Harris County, I guess. I don't know. It wasn't West Point Lake. It was another one. The larger one, a little bit further south. Just north of Columbus. I was out there in my blow-up kayak when I first got it. No, not a blow-up doll. A blow-up kayak. Come on now, guys. And I was out there on the lake. And, yeah. Down there by Blanton Creek State Park is what it was. One of my favorite hot spots to go chill on the big old lake down on the south side of the Chattahoochee down there. And I was sitting out there on my kayak, going about 5 to 10 miles that day on that lake. Technically still the Chattahoochee. Yeah, and I'm out there exploring in the woods and stuff, having a great old time. And then I get back to the motel room, all by my lonesome. Just to figure out that the lady behind the desk told me that they had alligators in that lake, and it's for real. Yeah, it is. They have alligators down there. They have alligators in West Point Lake. And I was sitting there thinking, Da Vinci ain't going back. I'm not going back unless I have a big boat. For real though. No more blow-up kayaks. Yeah, but imagine if I got attacked. Yeah, down there. Man, that would be wild. Yeah, let me go ahead and try to blow this joint out here. Man. At least I had a good time exploring today. We still have a ways to go. Maybe I'll enjoy whatever sun left. Yeah, because I definitely got plenty yesterday. I got burned like you know what. And it burned me out. You guys watching the video seem like you look lost. Yeah, of course you are. You have no idea where I am. Yeah, I'm just looking for that clearing in the trees. I already see it. Did I put this here years ago? I thought it was a stone bone from 20,000 years ago. I haven't found much of anything if you want to see it. Always looking for that top of that hill for some reason. Beautiful. You see a Native American face mask made of cedar wood, carved out of cedar wood from 900 BC, let me know. Yeah, dang. Where's the old homestead? I'm trying to find some light. Yeah, but I haven't found much of anything except stuff I'm going to make art out of. Yeah. That's going to come along. The cherubs told me to pick up the garbage, Da Vinci. They like to order me around. They do. Black walnut. Just going to keep it to see how long it's going to take to, you know, get older. You know, just the typical stuff. That's it. Yeah, that's all. Nothing big. My car keys. Yeah, I found this though. Check it out. Almost intact terminated crystal, but it's not clear. It's not. Of course, I come across these every now and then. I do. Yeah, always looking for that. Man, I just wish I would come across something so monumental. I'm still waiting for that time to come. I just need more free time. Yeah, I just need more free time. I'm trying to dig in my pocket, trying to see what else I have to show you. Yeah. Just another rock, that's it. No big deal. Hope you guys enjoy my little finds. I know I'm not finding shark's teeth or anything like that. Or petrified bats from 10 billion years ago or something. Yeah. It's quiet as you know what out here. Hey, what the heck am I whispering for? Dang. I want to know something. How does an oil canister get out here this high? Well, I guess the river carried it this high when it flooded. Probably in 2009. I don't know. But let me go ahead and try to find my way through the light.